1998 AP release exam, AB86 BC86, calculator allowed. The base of a solid is a region in the first quadrant bounded by the x-axis, the y-axis, and the line x plus 2y equals 8, as shown in the figure above. Well, that's to our right. If cross-sections of solid perpendicular to the x-axis are semicircles, what is the volume of the solid? So basically what you're looking at is this is the shape, and you're going to emanating from the base a semicircle. So you have the semicircle shape, and it will progressively get smaller as the semicircles get smaller as we go toward this skinny end down here toward the x equals 8. So a three-dimensional shape. So what we have is the equation x plus 2y is equal to 8. And then solving for y, we have 2y is equal to 8 minus x. And then if we divide by 2, we get y equals 4 minus x over 2. Now, if we go back to our drawing here, the thing we got to be concerned about, though, is that for a semicircle, the area of a semicircle is going to be 1/2, because we're talking about the top of that circle. We have pi r squared. Well, r is not equal to this 4 minus x over 2, and why not? Because this function here, y equals 4 minus x over 2, is not a radius but a diameter. So our radius is going to be divided by, it's going to be the equation equals y, radius y equals half. So we're going to have our radius is going to be 2 minus x over 4. So that's what we need to worry about. And so our answer is going to be a semicircle 1/2, and we're going to go from x equals 0 to 8, and we have r, and r we determined is 2 minus x over 4, and we have dx, but pi r squared, we got to square this thing. So now we can go to our calculator, and we will say 1/2, I'll say 0.5 times. We get our integral, our hotkey is shift plus, this t times power cs calculator, we go from 0 to 8. And we come over here and we parenthesize, we put was it 2 minus x over 4. And we're going to square this. Well, let me do it here. Yes. dx. So we should be good right here. But what happened? I think there was a pi, wasn't there? So we multiply by pi. .7552. So here's the pi. Which is going to be closest to answer choice C. And one thing you got to be worried about is if you forget to make this 1/2, if you forget to take the equation of the radius like we did here and use the diameter, you're going to get answer choice E. So they have little pitfalls set up for you should you make mistakes. And without the pi, well, that was one thing that I had initially forgot about. You got to keep track of these things. But anyway, that's our problem. Good luck, and thanks for viewing.